Welcome to the WordPress Photography Podcast, the podcast for photographers who want to learn how to get the most out of WordPress to grow their photography business. You don't need to be a geek to understand WordPress. Settle back and listen as we show you how. Now, here's your host, Scott Wyden-Kivowitz.
Welcome to episode 84. My name is Scott Wyden-Kivowitz. Today it's going to be a short episode for two reasons. One of which you will hear about in episode 85. But first of all, today we just want to announce the 2019 Imagely Fund. This is a humanitarian and environmental photography grant. This is a $10,000 grant. It used to be $5,000, but we have raised it to $10,000 via offering two grants. So now, instead of it being environmental or humanitarian photographer who can win the grant of $5,000, we are doing one $5,000 grant for an environmental photography project and one $5,000 grant for a humanitarian photography project. So that's $10,000 total. So we are excited to launch our 7th annual Imagely Fund, offering these two amazing grants to two amazing photography projects. Grant season offers our team an incredible chance to check out the amazing work of photographers around the world. Every year we are so inspired by and learn from these photography stories, whether it's documenting wars, natural disasters, spotlighting injustices and inequalities, or highlighting issues in conservation. Whatever it is, we feel incredibly honored to witness the impact that powerful photography has to invoke positive change, doing good in the world. So if you're interested in applying to be a fellow, the Imagely Fund fellow, you'll need an online portfolio showing your photography, storytelling talents. You could use NextGen Gallery, or you could do a free Adobe Spark page. We don't really care what you submit. It just has to be a portfolio online that we can view. We also need a one-page personal statement, including a link to your portfolio, of course, a short bio, a brief project description, estimated budget, and info on any location-specific training, preparations, and partnerships that you have. All right. Now, we have had amazing judges in the past, and we continue that. But I love that I can share a second amazing announcement with you. Applications are judged by a panel of distinguished reviewers. And in 2019, this 7th annual grant, we have Jim Brandenburg again, Steve Winter again, and for the first time ever, and finally, we have our first female judge, and we're so happy, excited, and honored to say that Amy Vitale is the first female judge of the Imagely Fund. We are immensely grateful to all of our judges, both present and past, for their commitment to giving back to the photography community despite their busy schedules. So, if you would like to learn more about the Imagely Fund, the process, what it takes to win, and even see previous winners and runners-up, including Amy Vitale, who was a runner-up in the past, please just go to imagely.com/fund. Now, you might have noticed that this episode was recorded. The audio is a little different. There's no video to this. I will explain the reasoning behind that in episode 85. So for now, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching and listening on YouTube. Even though you don't see me, you're just going to sort of see the episode imagery with my audio. Still, thank you so much. And imagely.com/fund.
You've been listening to the WordPress Photography Podcast. To listen to other episodes and to subscribe to the podcast via iTunes, Stitcher, Google Play, and more, please visit imagely.com/podcast.